$5 in the vending machine.
Where's my food? Where is my food? Seriously? Okay, that's it. I am filing a complaint right now. I'm filing a complaint. Oh yeah, you don't want me to file a complaint? Well, then give me my food!
Please enter credit for transaction.
I gave you credit. Fine! Stop yelling at me! Just take it. Can I please have my candy bar? I'm getting hangry. You won't like me when I'm hangry. Trust me. Nobody likes me hangry. Not even my boyfriend likes me hangry. In fact, he tells me to leave him alone when I'm hangry because I get so hangry. Time, $5. There. Take it. Do you accept the $5? You accepted it, okay? I would like my chips. What the? Give it to me! Give me back my money! Give me back! Don't get it all dirty! That's my money! Give me back my money, you brat! You're acting like a brat! Give me back my money, vending machine, right now, or I swear you give me back my stuff! Now! I want it now! Give me my money! Give it to me! Now! 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 You don't dare do this to me! Give me the money. Now. Give me money now! Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Now. Now. I want my money. Give it to me. You have 90 seconds. Give me my money. Oh yes, you can play that game. Piece of junk. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. You have a minute to give me my money back. Now. 60 seconds. Give it to me. Give it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Now. stupid case of junk. That's what you are. You know that? That's what you are. You're a piece of junk, and I want my money back.